So one of the reasons I was really excited about C2MTL was because a lot of brand representatives were going to be there. And being in Montreal and having that kind of access to these kind of global players was extremely important. The lectures, the talks were very exciting. They were also very interactive. I was really curious to see who are the other 24 minds who are kind of shaping the future of Montreal. This is the biggest collection of creative minds in North America. You can't determine what opportunities are going to come up. You just have to be there, immerse yourself, and really get the most out of it. You shouldn't even think about applying. You need to be there. You're lucky if you are.
If you have an innovative business project and your company is in its first years of operation and you're driven by creativity, I then invite you to join the Emerging Entrepreneur Contest and get ready to be inspired, to connect, to experiment, and to celebrate at C2 Montreal this year.